Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info, and I'm going to show you how to change amount of stages on your Pulsar Xlite V4 mouse. So first, of course, we should download and open Pulsar Gaming Gears. If you don't know how to do that, just watch our video about it. Here you will see on the Home tab, you will see your mouse, then click on it. On the first screen you have representation of your mouse and key bindings, but we should go to Performance tab, and here, as you can see on the right side of our program, we have stages, and when we click on DPI button on our mouse, we just switching stages on this gaming gear. But how to change amount of stages? So for example, here we have 6 stages, and by clicking on this button and changing different amount of stages, we can change this. For example, DPI 1, I really don't need DPI 1 because, as you can see, it's too slow. So I wanna have DPI 800, for example. Right, I wanna have 1200 and 1600, and now I can switch between 3 stages. That's it, guys. Hope this video was helpful for you. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment below. Bye, see you.